Welcome back to Learning Bot channel. In this next tutorial, we're diving into the world of arithmetic and logical operations in Python. Buckle up as we explore the operators that make mathematical and logical magic happen. First things first, let's talk about the arithmetic operators in Python. They're the same operators you know from math class: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's kick things off by printing the result of 5 plus 4. Running this program gives us 9. That's the addition operator in action. We've got subtraction, multiplication, and division, but here's where it gets interesting. Python has two division operators, a single slash for floating point numbers and double slashes for integers. Watch closely as we explore the nuances. If you use a single slash, we get a floating point number, a number with a decimal point. But if we use double slashes, we get an integer, a whole number. Adding to the mix, we have the modulus operator, giving us the remainder, and the exponent operator, raising a number to the power of another. Now, let's talk efficiency. Python offers augmented assignment operators for all these operations. If you have a variable, say x, and you want to increment it by 2, you can use x plus equals 2. It's a concise way of expressing the operation. Same goes for subtraction, multiplication, and more. These operators make your code cleaner and more readable. Time for a challenge. What's the result of x equals 5 plus 2 times 4? Before you answer, consider operator precedence, the order in which operations are applied. Multiplication and division take precedence over addition and subtraction. This part of the expression gets evaluated first. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then the result is added to 5. That is why the result of this expression is 13. But fear not, you can always override this with parentheses. Wrapping changes the game, giving us 28 instead. Python respects parentheses, just like good old math class. Next, besides the arithmetic operators, we have a squad of operators, called comparison operators. They are the detectives of Python, comparing values and delivering the verdict. Observe as we declare a variable, x, and set it to 5 greater than 4. This expression is what we call a Boolean expression, and it's shouting true, because 5 is indeed greater than 4. We've got an arsenal of these. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal, and not equal. These are your go-to tools for evaluating conditions in Python. Remember, these operators are the backbone of real Python programs, helping us make decisions based on values. But hold on, there's an additional operators to explore, the logical operators. These bad boys help us weave intricate rules and conditions. Follow closely as we declare an age variable and set it to 50. Now, imagine we want to check if age is between 20 and 60. This is where we use the AND operator. If both Boolean expressions return true, the whole expression gives us true. Now, let's shake things up with the OR operator. If at least one expression is true, the whole gang is true. Watch as we change age to 15 and let Python work its magic. So the result of this entire expression will be true. There's also the rebellious not operator, inverting any value you throw at it. We're going to have one Boolean expression, age greater than 20. The result of this expression is false. Now if you apply the not operator, this will inverse false to true. If you're getting the hang of Python's arithmetic and logical operations, smash that like button, subscribe for more coding wisdom, and hit the notification bell. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.